Alright, this is a real quick glance at the work I've done so far on the truck. As you can see, I've got a primer on. This is just the first coat and it's been wet sanded already. I need to go get more primer because I'm out. But there was one spot here that I didn't fix. I'm actually going to fix this before I put the next coat on. Yeah, I'm not going to do any work on the tailgate. I'm going to buy a new one. I got the new manifolds installed. I don't have my keys out here. Okay. Oh, yes I do. Nice and quiet compared to what it was. Let's take all this crap off. Got all the sanding done and most of the body work on the hood done. New manifolds. Still got a slight leak over here. I just gotta tighten the bolts up down there. No more smoke out of the tailpipe. I love that. My old rusty tips. As you can see, it's stock exhaust. I don't know if you can see it, but oh well. So yeah, this is really the worst side of the truck, except for the door on the passenger side where I actually had to cut the door handle off to get into it one day. Last time I drove the truck, I drove it 227 miles. We moved, so everything looks good so far. My old Sanyo. Let's zoom out there so y'all can see everything. I took the old headliner out. It was just in such bad shape. And the original paint that was on the inside is in extremely good shape for this old truck, and I like the way it looks without the headliner in it anyway. Yeah, so I gotta get a new mirror. The reflective paint on the back of the mirror is actually just rubbing off. It has been for about 8 years now. This window this button does not work, and I cannot figure out why. I've actually switched out the actual switch, and it doesn't work. This one does. That one over there does. Everything else works. Door locks. Anyway, that's that. I need to turn this off before I run it out of gas. Yeah, I gotta grease that door hinge up again. New exhaust manifolds. They're brand new. I put the original air injection reactor back on this side. I had to buy a new one on the other side. It was seized up pretty bad on the original manifold, so I just did a tune-up. I put new plugs and wires and everything in it, changed the oil. It's ready to get new tags on it as soon as I get the money for it. So anyway, alrighty, that's it.